Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can set your NVIDIA graphics card to be the default one on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you're on an older model of Windows, you can still do this. So if you go on your desktop, you want to right click and then you want to click on show more options and then you want to click on NVIDIA control panel. Now let's wait for it to load. Now, once it's loaded, you'll give us settings like this. You want to go on 3D settings and on manage 3D settings and on global settings here, which means all of the apps or the default. You want to click on rather than auto select, you want to click on high performance NVIDIA processor. So instead of it being a integrated graphics card, it'll always be a high performance NVIDIA processor. But you can see right now it says Windows OS manages selections of the graphic processors. So the way we can change it now is by going on clicking this Windows graphic settings. And unfortunately in here, we can't select a default graphic card for all of the programs. We'll have to do it one by one. So if you can see right now, I want to change the graphic settings of Near Automata here, right? And instead of letting Windows decide, I'm going to change the default into high performance and click on save. So I know that this game will run well, knowing that right now it's going to be using the RTX 3050 instead of the integrated graphics card on my laptop. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.